The Autodesk Certified Professional AutoCAD for Design and Drafting exam is the recognized standard for measuring your skills and knowledge in AutoCAD. The certification enables you to showcase your abilities and also signals to potential employers that your skills have been validated. This online course from Autodesk prepares you by offering an overview of skills that match what is covered on the exam. The video lessons are structured to match the exam's objective domains and follow the typical workflow and features of the AutoCAD software, including sections on drawing and organizing objects, drawing with accuracy, advanced editing functions, layouts, printing and outputs, annotation techniques, and reusable content and drawing management. The provided AutoCAD dataset allows you to follow along with the lessons and try out methods and workflows. Practice exercises and challenge assignments help you practice and review the exam topics on your own. Give yourself the tools you need for success by taking this prep course for the Autodesk Certified Professional AutoCAD for Design and Drafting exam.